I thought this spring was going to be about decorating a bedroom. After talking about it for what felt like forever, we finally started, one room at a time, slowly creating a home that reflects who we are. But this spring became about much more than just paint and wallpaper. This first quarter of the year flew by. We visited quite a few beautiful places from South Wales to Malvern Hills, Dorset and Devon. And my motherland I've missed for a while, South Poland. There is something about nature that encourages you to slow down, to breathe, and to appreciate the beauty around you. Whether I was walking through the mountains, exploring the Jurassic Coast, or standing beside the waterfall, I kept noticing the same things. The colors, the textures, the shapes created by nature. The more time I spend outdoors, the more I understand the kind of home I want to create. A home filled with natural materials, organic shapes and beautiful textures. But I could never live in a completely neutral home. I wouldn't be myself without adding some colors, pattern, and pieces with character. I've got this artistic soul, a soul that loves to create, a soul that wants to share this passion with you. So thank you for being here. Spring has also brought a return of cardboard sale season. One of my favorite ways to find pre-loved items. Sometimes I come home with a treasure, sometimes just an idea. It's so exciting to find some unique pieces that can be used as they are, or as a project. Back at home, we've spent time in the garden, cleaned the driveway and started planning what comes next. Looking back, this spring wasn't really about the places we visited. It was about inspiration, gratitude, and paying attention to the beauty that's already around us. Because every time I spend time in the nature, I come home with more than just photographs and videos. I come home with ideas that I'll share here. If you've stayed that long, thank you for being here. Next, take a look at my previous video and enjoy. See you soon.